This is the demonstration of my turn project, Live by Daylight. If you've heard of the game Dead by Daylight, this one pretty much have the same rules, but it is reduced to a single player version. The brief background and rules of this game are shown on the screen. So you woke up in the manor with hazy memories. All you know is to exit the gate in the south to escape from the killer, and you must open one of the two chests on the map to get the key to the gate. Luckily, you have an experienced attendant to help you, but she looks just like you. The player will control P1, which is the blue-haired girl in the game, while the killer and the other survivor P2 are controlled by game AIs. In the gameplay, you could press P to pause, R to restart at any time, and F to open the chest when you are around it, and there will be notifications. Let's get started. As the player enters the game, the vision is limited to the area around P1. If the game is not running smoothly, the player could press L to toggle on the light. So we found a chest and press F to start opening. The progress is noted on the upper left of the screen, and notice that 2 people opening at the same time will be faster than 1. After the chest is opened, the gate is open and we could head south to exit from the gate. As long as you exit, you win. The other survivor is unable to exit the gate. For clarity, we will toggle the lights on for now. We can see that the killer was patrolling and then start chasing our P2. The algorithm used in the search is the A-star algorithm, which calculates the path between the killer and the survivor that directs the killer's moves. And this is the first attack, so we can see that the status of P2 is injured, and then after the second attack, the status turned into dying, and the killer will bring the P2 to the jail and back to patrolling. So P2 will exit the jail after 10 seconds, and this is the second time she is brought to the jail. So she will die after entering the jail. And the game continues after her death. Similarly, after 2 attacks, our P1 could also be in the status of dying and brought to the jail. And during this time, we are unable to move P1. After being brought to the jail twice, the game ends since our main character P1 died. Meanwhile, P2 will use A-star search to find the closest chest and open it. So strategically, one survivor will try to open a chest while the other kites the killer, but sometimes the one kiting could bring the killer around the survivor and thus changing the target, which adds to the playability of the game. And that's it. Hope you enjoy.